Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Remember back in Grammar 1.5.4, we learned how to say how old with the expression 多大. For example, how old are you? 你多大? And the answer could be 我16岁. I'm 16. 我16岁. How old is David? 大卫今年多大? 20-something. 20几岁. Remember back in lesson 1 in grammar 2.1.3, we learned how to use the word 几 to mean several. So 20几岁 means that David is over 20 years old, but less than 30. And we can also say 20多岁, replacing 几 with 多. The meaning doesn't change. If this is unfamiliar to you, you can review grammar 2.1.3. All right, back to the question. How old are you? 你多大? Can we use the same construction to ask other questions like, how tall is he? How big is the new phone? Actually, we can. Just like asking 他多大, we can ask how tall is he with 他多高? 他多高? So the construction is 多 plus an adjective. In this sentence, 他多高, the adjective is 高, meaning tall. 他多高? How tall is David? 大卫多高? 大卫多高? 1.8 plus meters. 1米8几. What does 几 mean here? Yes, it means several. Because this is not a question, so 几 does not mean how many, but it means several. He could be 1.81, 1.82, 1.83, or even 1.89 meters, but shorter than 1.9 meters. 1米8几.
Ken, 你多高？
我1米8几，你呢？
我1米73。
我多高？我1米73，很好。Another example, how tall is medical doctor Wang's son? 王医生的儿子多高？王医生的儿子多高？ His son is 1.7 meters tall. 他儿子1米7。他儿子1米7。Perfect. That's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 2, Notes number 3. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.